The emergence of Imam Mahdi is one of the most awaited events in Islamic eschatology, symbolizing hope and justice in a world engulfed by oppression and chaos. His appearance will not be just a historical moment, but a divine intervention to restore balance on earth before the final hour. The name of Imam Mahdi will be Muhammad ibn Abdullah, and he will be from the lineage of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, a descendant of Fatima. The Prophet described him as having a broad forehead and a prominent nose, reflecting both dignity and humility. He will not seek leadership, but Allah will guide the people to recognize him. He will be reluctant at first, but eventually the pledge of allegiance will be taken by force at the Kaaba. His emergence will come at a time of global turmoil. The earth will be filled with injustice, wars will be widespread, and people will lose hope. Imam Mahdi's mission will be to fill the world with justice and equity, just as it had been filled with tyranny and oppression. His reign will not be based on mere political maneuvering, but will be a divinely guided leadership, reviving the true spirit of Islam. According to authentic narrations, Imam Mahdi will unite the Ummah, bringing together the scattered and divided Muslims under his leadership. The Muslims will experience unprecedented victories. He will lead armies in battles where they will be granted divine assistance. One of his significant military campaigns will be the liberation of Constantinople. This victory will come miraculously, with soldiers not needing traditional weapons, but winning through takbir, glorifying Allah, which will cause the walls to crumble. Imam Mahdi's rule will coincide with the rise of the Dajjal, the greatest trial for humanity. However, the Mahdi will hold the front lines against the Dajjal's forces, keeping the Ummah firm until the descent of Isa, peace be upon him. Together, Imam Mahdi and Isa will unite in this divine mission. Isa will take the lead in killing the Dajjal, but Imam Mahdi will continue to govern the Muslims, upholding justice and peace. During his time, wealth will flow freely. He will distribute it so equitably that no one will be left in need. People will come asking for charity, and he will give them in abundance. His governance will witness agricultural and economic prosperity, with blessings descending from the skies and bursting forth from the earth. The spiritual revival under Imam Mahdi will be remarkable. He will re-establish the Sunnah and correct widespread innovations in religion. His leadership will bring hearts back to Allah, reviving genuine Islamic values in a world lost to materialism and spiritual decay. His rule will last for 7 years, though some narrations suggest it could extend up to 9 or more. These years will be among the most blessed times on earth after the era of the rightly guided caliphs. But like all things in this world, his time will come to an end. After his passing, the world will gradually slip back into corruption, leading to the remaining signs of the last day. Imam Mahdi's story is not just about a man who will rise to power. It is about the hope that no matter how dark the world becomes, Allah's promise of justice and mercy remains firm. For believers today, the Mahdi's awaited arrival is a call to purify ourselves, strengthen our faith, and prepare for a time when standing firm in truth will be the ultimate test.